battery's dead on this Chevy V8, and let's see. This be in engine start. Feel that back, it's got a big connector there. Big, thick, heavy-duty connector with some flashing lights. Let's go with this. Good contact. Positive terminal. Oh, I hear the engine trying to do things. Okay, is this one automatic? Force start button on the bottom. Oh, I heard a click. Let's see what happens. Give me starter. Okay, yippee. She starts up. That was pretty simple, actually. We still have... Oh, it's on the pressure. That's air pressure mode. Tell me if there's... I'll disconnect it, be safe.